Okay, here we are back, and we are going to continue working on page 61 in your Number Corner workbook. So I don't know what happened to my little picture-in-picture down there, but I'm still here. So the next part says complete each maze. Write equations below each one to show how you found the path from start to end. Okay, so I see the word start right here. I'm multiplying and dividing to get to the next number. So here's an example. 3, what can I go? I know this is the end, so I'm not going to go there. I could go down or I could go here. If I did 3 divided by 6, I can't do that. I can't divide 3 things into 6 groups. 3 times 6 equals 18, but that's not here. 3 times 4 equals 12. So I'm going to go from here to here. 3 times 4 equals 12. I'm going to write that down before I forget. Okay, 3 times 4 equals 12. Now I could go up here. 12 times 6, that's a big number. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. I could do that. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. Alright, now I'm at 2. Then I go to 2 to 10 to 20. Oh, I know 2 times 10 equals 20, so I'm going to go 2 times 10 equals 20. Times 10 equals 20. Alright, I'm almost there. So now I got 20, then 5, then 4. I know that 4 and 5, if you multiply them, that makes 20. So if I do the opposite, I'm going to say 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Okay, so that's how we solve that first maze. Okay, so I want you to take a second and try to solve the other 2 mazes. So pause the video and then come back when you're ready. Okay, so here I'm back with the next maze. So if you were struggling, you can take a look at what I did here. So we started at 3, and I multiplied by 8 to get to 24. 3 times 8 equals 24. And then I start again with the number I left off on. 24 divided by 6 gets you to 4. And I wrote that right down here. So I left off at 4 times 7 equals 28. And that was my third equation. Left off at 28, so I start at 28. 28 divided by 14 will get me to 2. And that gets me to the end. Okay, give that last one a try and then come back when you're ready. Okay, we are back with the solution to maze number 3. So 8 times 3 gets you to 24. 24 divided by 6 gets you to 4. 4 times 8 gets you to 32. 32 divided by 2 equals 16. So there's your maze solutions. Okay, we're going to move on to the back. Okay, folks at home, we did not do the quick facts at home. So you guys get to cross off number 3 for those students that are 100% virtual. Number 4, here we go. We got some word problems. It says Mr. Garza had 24 flowers. He divided them equally and gave some flowers to each of his 4 sisters. Okay, I see the word divided. We start with 24. There are 4 sisters. Write an equation to represent this problem. How many flowers did each sister get? Okay, the equation, I'm pretty sure it's a division. So what did we divide? We divided 24 flowers. 24 divided into how many groups? Into 4 groups. So you've got to figure that out. So we do not know the answer yet, so we will put F for flowers. Okay, and then to figure that out, you could say, well, I have my 4 sisters here, and I'm going to divide my 24 flowers up. You may already know the answer, but if you're really stuck, drawing a picture is really helpful. So, and then I could say, well, I'll do a tally for each flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because I have to go all the way up to 24. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, I divided up all 24 flowers. And how many did each sister get? 6. Okay, you're going to try the next one. Maybe it's division, maybe it's multiplication. You have to think about what's happening in the story. Here we go. Patty is buying pears to share with her friends. She bought 3 bags. Each bag has 6 pears in it. Write an equation to represent this problem. And remember, I put a letter in place of the answer. That's called a variable. That just is holding the place for the answer. And then find out how many pears did Patty buy. Take a second and try that one on your own and then come back. Okay, here we are back with the answer. So 3 bags, okay, there's 3 groups of 6. So whenever I have groups of something, 3 groups of 6, I know that's going to be multiplying or dividing. So I drew it out and I said, okay, there's 3 bags. There's 6 in each, so I'm repeating that number over and over again to get to the total. So that's multiplying. So 3 times 6 equals P for pear. And then I figured it out. There's 3 bags, 6 in each. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. 18 pears. And up here I should write 6 flowers. Okay. Now the challenge is to write your own multiplication problem with an equation and your own division problem with an equation, and then I want you to find someone in your family and make them solve it. Okay? And excellent work on getting through page 61 and 62. I'll see you next time.